Today during your phonics word study lesson, you talked about idioms. You talked about how idioms are phrases that have a different meaning than the actual words. So some of the things that you talked about were in hot water. It doesn't literally mean that someone's in hot water, but instead it means that they're in trouble. Things like hold your horses doesn't really mean to hold your horses. It just means have some patience. So today, during your practice, you are going to create 5 sentences with idioms. Think about the meaning of each idiom in the left column. For example, spilling the beans means telling a secret. Type a descriptive sentence using the idiom in the right column. So you have 5 different idioms, and you are going to create 5 sentences using those different idioms. So we have hold your horses, social butterfly, raining cats and dogs, let the cat out of the bag, and throw in the towel. We're going to do let the cat out of the bag. We will say, Joe let the cat out of the bag when he told his best friend about his surprise party. Which letting the cat out of the bag means telling a secret. So Joe told the secret when he told him about his surprise party. Submit on Schoology when you complete the rest of this assignment.